Hello, Algebra 2 kids. Um, really wanted to give you a quick notice as to what's going on this week for my class. In case there's any confusion, it looks like there might be because as of early afternoon on the second day of class, there are 3 people who have not started their Manga High assignment, and that would be Emily, Lane, and Caitlin. Make sure you go back and look on Google Classroom. There was an assignment to go on to Manga High and actually do problems off of Manga High for this week. Now let's talk about that assignment real quick. Maybe it wasn't as clear as it should have been for some others, that you can do that assignment multiple times. The idea wasn't to click on play and answer 10 questions and be done for the week. The idea was to go on there and play through those quizzes multiple times with the goal of getting a gold medal so that you can get all the points on your assignment. It is not enough to just go there, go through the answers, click on some answers. There's only 10 problems on one round, so it's not okay to just go there, go through one round, click on 10 different answers, don't care if you get them right or wrong, and then say, well, I did the assignment. No, you didn't. The assignment was to get a gold, and to do that, you have to do multiple quizzes. Now, it could be accomplished as easy as going through 3 quizzes or playing through 3 times to get your gold, and you're done. That would be the minimum amount of times you'd have to do it to earn a gold. But the points that you earn are not cumulative. So you don't earn like 1,000 points the first time through, and then maybe another 1,000 the second time through, and so you play it 4 times and get a medal or something. What happens is that there are 4 levels. The first of which is called easy, the second of which is called medium, third is called hard, and the 4th level is called extreme. Now, if you play through the first time, it's going to start you off on easy. And the way you get to the medium level questions is you answer 4 questions in a row correctly. And when you do that, it moves you to the medium questions. And if you answer like 4 of those correctly, it will move you to the hard questions. Now, if you play through and you finish on easy, you don't earn a medal. You get no medal. And so from my perspective as a teacher, when I look at what you've done on Manga High, it tells me a couple of things. It tells me how much time you spent, and then it also tells me what medal you've earned and how many questions that you've tried or attempted. So if you've played once through, you've attempted 10 questions, and it'll tell me like you did one attempt. So you looked at the quiz, and you didn't earn a medal, and so you have 0 points, and so that's kind of what your grade's going to be, is a 0. If you go through twice and you move up into, let's say, the medium category, you might earn a bronze medal, and so you'll get some points for your attempts, but I can't give you full credit because you haven't really gotten to the gold yet. There were only 10 questions in the quiz, so Ray and Isaac, I see that you went through them and you attempted once. Good. You got there, you attempted. I appreciate that, but the goal is to get a gold, not just to go through the quiz once. So make sure you go back, and by the end of the day, Friday, that you've gotten as far as you can. You have to at least get to a bronze medal to get credit. Silver will give you a little bit more, but you're not going to get full credit unless you can get to the gold, and you really want to get to the gold. It's not that hard. I know you guys can do it. If you do get stuck, like maybe you've tried it and you go, oh, I don't know how to do these. First things first, I did share a video with you that goes through the steps on how to solve those things. If you didn't like the video, you're welcome to find other videos on YouTube. There's probably hundreds of them on how to solve triangles using trigonometry. Let's say that you've done that, you didn't understand what they were talking about, and you're still stuck. How else could you get yourself off the escalator? Well, when you're done with the quiz, one of the things you can do is click that button that says Review. What happens when you do that is it goes through and shows you each of the questions it just asked you on that quiz. And it shows what your response was, and it gives you a button to say Solve, and then it will show you a new window that shows you all the steps required to solve that particular question, okay? So there's lots of ways that you can get off the escalator on your own. Not the least of which is to let the program show you what it's expecting you to do on each question. But if you're still having trouble even after that, you're welcome to post questions on Google Classroom. If you do so, your classmates can read your questions and they might respond and maybe they can help you out. Or I will read your question, and if I don't type the response back, I may make a video and show you specifically how to work that question. Now you might say, well, I don't know how to get the question up on the screen because it was on the quiz and I didn't see it after that. Well, again, once you take the quiz, if you go through review, you can see each of the questions that was asked in that quiz, and you're welcome to write down the question, and then you can post it online. You can type it out on the discussion group. Okay? All right. So please make sure you're going for the gold. If you do have questions or you're struggling, let me know. Post questions, if you can, to the discussion group online on the Google Classroom so that we can all kind of look at it as a learning community and help each other learn. And I will, if necessary, I don't mind it at all, I'll work the problems that you have on a sheet of paper and post the video. Okay? All right. Well, good luck, guys. You have until Friday to finish this, so make sure to put in the effort and try to go for that gold, okay? I know you can do it. Just keep it up. Thanks. We'll see you soon.